ebusia for any adrofonom mema obibia akwaba ede but too much GHS so kanu wahala dwumadi na ebre asose ene so yede ebesom se de daneda ye no na ene de nipa ba ko ne to adadie ni nyina eye nyoma ekoso ewo Ghana hanu mefa ware asem empnatwe adwuma asem won just won do wota ekire eba ne se wo ogu obi aware a wo ya ade wo ho wo se obi adwuma wo ya ade wo ho wo se relationship on ma eye empnatwe amotwe no krampon enkoso ema muntimi mfa nware krampon na wono wota ekire wa ye no ho anu ma kokone kone okọ enso na tifi ekokọ hono na ho aba na afo abegusa se hwan ena ehono no nanso aye se Ghana hanum investigators doors so CIDs for doors so ene omo wafia omo a train omo so omo be CID omo train omo so be journalist omo nyina eye hwehwemu ne de nipa no ne tom adedi na abusiafo mmaye mbonra ensem no emu ene de yi eye na mwana na pia mensa adodo nanim ne se na mwan CEO of Men's Gold ai sa papa no ne ho asem ena ababeto apunu so wono ena se enkrofo adwuma wo mu gya ya se enkrofo titifie wono wo ka ho bi empna twia enkrofo twia oni na nka Ghana fo nyina anim se empna twia we de bekọ awade na nyina gu ye wota ekire ebi eye awade a enkrofo awade emfiedu num emfienso ne chese egu nyina abrante wota echebina nipa wode sa allegation yi ebono eye moamu himself acclaimed drama queen aye nuaba Efia Schwarzenegger wono ene de sa ensembwe ababetu edwana ne nsem enyina ene se ye nuaba ma kwe a chese no wo eye jetwa na abrante yi na moandefo ya dede no ma ni gya yadwuma ema ne bebetina afie se an wo Men's Gold wo beboa no na ene de Men's Gold ego na papai etifia wo mu de ode na brabo eye na chese wono ene di mu etintiman eba no ebiemu enso a eye nwa nim danso artist ye nua be ma pa aha wono a Shatawale one Shatamichi wo mu pratwe o mu twe a chese ema eye Majesty piemu ba ye kura na chese nko mo de anka de bia no wo mo ma yo ma dwen se wo mo de owo mu enkwamu nkom betina se a chese abone yonko eho eba nanso na nwandefo ya ekoko pie mu ewo wo mo relationship mu no eno ano no ene se ye bullet ayi shata yes obegidi amamichi nyina wo ye no se ye menya anje se me ma ro mi bullet proof egu ho entimi nji bie ene wo ja ye digu ho na de ye latest kra ye mo amunim ye aba gospel ye artist Joyce Blessing oni nukunu Dave Joy wo mo aware eno so na nse ye bebeto edwa efa se abaya na ko bema ni nuaba fie ya kokokonto kwa ho akọ papa ho de nsa akọ togu ye busuafo anim sa aware no wajai won ware biem bema ne ho afono no bema no hu no krampo na chese nya sa na ote se wasesa wadane kaka moto bema na chese de ekoso nyina no ni nyina na wandefo ya ena esai eta echina chese abrantie no oye chiwadi a eboman oye chiwadi eboman pa no ababesua wo Ghana mu na chese wo senkrofo ware na nkrofo bi krampo susu se coronavirus ko na monunti na yare we ababepie omayi emu na abusua momayen kotie eye ensem Efia Schwarzenegger edigu apno so
na awon we busua ni na mo a wo sa ko ale friend na mo no sa ko bi na ye ntemi no o na mo we busua fo ka Biblia ni wa na wa de nsa meka on sale. Biblia ni biasi o na wa apart from one me two before one tia mo fa mudini ensa msika ko mana woni run dresses one girl see ne afianga girl see dress a wo medi am na say mama wa ne bu mu fa no tonje Biblia ni wa na wa de nsa ka na pra what to say no tie da na wa ojo bu sefo Biblia na mo de nza ka bia azano wala fumo sana mwana wala fu na wala busieni watu obabi na mwanda wala careful uwa busana sana George Quewen what did you to any duma boko na wa sebra Never customer let's go. Do you one I want in so you go. Mama boy Juma, at the Juma and then just great. I was it. Number one, Juma. Now one, Satawale Nimichi. Come and I won't tell. They were taking bullets for each other. I will take bullets for you. Bullet for you. Now one, I know, which is one bullet to the view. I want to love you. Now one of the good. Just blessing now, one you that. While I planted that, problem will be in our room. Just blessing in the joy. Now that we may interview the blessing. Also, they couldn't joy, not washable. David, the family father, Tolentino, and my son. Now, what did a woman do? Suddenly, there were no guys are coming here. That's sorry, I secretary that Jim. Now, we are full. One by four.
Abusia for way any a year and someone. Yenua ba efia swaslega wodi egu apono so na chese wo hwe de ekona na mo na kwakwa ye wo bi a chese ye de ni chichiri kura enye yie ye de ni chichiri kura enye yie wo abusuam nkoso wo namfo mu anamfo endi yie chese wo ba bi obekọ bia no ode asem ena ekọ ba bia wo bepie wo bia no se asem ama na chese ntokwa eni de chese ntokwa so ama de na chese ye police case. Well, because on one move, Rampono, or a froster, and on am the baby, it on my gen Cassian or the name to say the one 1 year, it's me achieve you at the Papa Piano, one chance to sell one so no, who bear achieve BB, and to know Yenia Bay, said them did Cancayano, what nephew, why your home CID, why your home investigator, why your home journalist, just why you be BB, a woman and no son, be Bia or Becca, now so. There be on my dear will be no, and no one who would do mu a day ever. Why is it too much? As I say, too much time or no, so what's here? And not just what day about go up no so ama a net day. And tis a woo pedientia, a George Quay, or JH1 and a one in tia. The entia a Shatawale and a Shatamichi. One more empna chain, one more chain. Antimia repay, Antimia and one. And I didn't see a Joy's blessing. One also so only you knew Dave Joy, one more warrior at top percent, and much as a quadrenina, ever edit the agro, be a echana drama, confonina, etimid woman or about 2 woman warriors, and winning a one. Because on one when you subai and yet, to say the man's go then to me and son and subai yet. It's one who about Brabuma. And no dear sabi expect be papa bia ekoso e de amount wo bi ehwehwe and some and na bonten a ekoso say na e bia wakwakwa twempena wa baabi and I say na sentina ne kunu eja no ye ne gala woni ne ya adwuma e bia ono na pese o bribe no anase o pese o giniska anya say bia obeliki ne nyoma bia anase say enyesa na mom ni papote pa wotai e ya wari jaye yechi emma awade yi entimi ngina still Joyce aye no hotawe sama tais na wogina ekoano no sa eno no na chese eye na moan enuntia na sa nipa we wote abusuamu ote abrabom wote namfo mu na so wote eye omanmu a ebedo oman etimi akoso ensem we beto odwa na ebinum si afia ekura di biba wasa kan ho biem oya sure say we say ya fra wo se brabe yi wano a wonya ho say eye trademark de ani bi women jina bonti meme ye na mimbo obi adi o e na menye ma de se pese me resurrect to obi adi career oya sure pan wo kan sama no why steady o why steady because we maka asem e na wubenya genya bi so e dia wode e ba ye o say this girl dear, I don't know where she is from, but all the time she brings good info. And also so dear and on when they say, ye ba Fia Schwarzenegger dear. Ban they say and someone Ghana for will be me and cano, or no dear, what the don't just what the sima. I dear will be the don't shred back and one no what the sima and a beckan. Ye have been so dear what they by ye Chris or say, this girl there one day she will meet her meter. One so there no when they say abaye oh enche bia wana fio dako be hia de eni kwan so hia na wo ena wo be hunu say onoko oyeje ye nua bi so there wo de eba ye o say hey now one is that you come and remove your mouth because what this girl is saying there I want you to speak or no so there I don't know say now one baby a wo bia and seven no bebre na ye kan e de to so enti say de tie bia no na brabonten bra na bebe yi wa no na ne Ghana fo hu say e yampa we ye the sign for we obi a wo say ade we obi antimi hwa ade so ye we obi a chese and I form per wasem and I will soon will buy an answer be a target because they say a target over to be a chese. Ya didn't ye be any year, 18 bra, number baby one. I was here for a ham and a dad channel ABC. Wow, war said ya buy 82 John said, oh, war a confirm will be unbet to me at the or too much GH. Your comment section, the BM subscribers are 1 year. Share for more boost for all the social media platforms. I follow your Instagram page at too much GH_. Now, I'm returning your back in kind at the among Mammy did you made in which I'm meeting any a clear sikapa macram.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na why subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na